up everybody, it's Asher here from Technic Auto House and welcome to BUILDZ, the show where we look at some of the craziest car builds from around the world. Today, we're here with TJ and his Subaru WRX STI. We're going to check out his car and then take it for a spin. Let's go. Starting off in the front, TJ, talk to us about what you got going on here.
Car's just World Rally blue, but that also means this hood scoop, the trim around the grille, as well as this part here would be blue. I thought just to make it pop a little bit more, we'd get that painted custom gloss black. Really makes it pop out a lot more.
100%.
I've got the JDM STI grille, just because I'm not a fan of the way the OEM grille looks. This is the way it comes factory from Japan. I absolutely love it. Because we're out here in Alberta, we don't got that front license plate. I have a PERRIN front license plate delete kit. PERRIN, please sponsor me. And then we just have a molded front lip here. It's not anything too special. It goes really well with the look of the car, and it looks like it's a part of the front bumper rather than one of those sheets of metal that kind of people call a diffuser now. No hate.
So is it scrape at all, or are there any?
It scrapes.
So you're on coilovers, right?
I'm on coilovers. Fortunato 500, so they scrape quite a bit. We've also got the JDM fog light bezels there.
Yes, sir.
How they come from factory, you get this black plastic piece that goes around there. This one's painted gloss black to match the rest of the trim, and it also still has the light in there. All the LEDs, all the front lights have been switched to LEDs, so turn signals LED, as well as the front fog lights have also been LEDs. And then in terms of the headlights, at the time that this car was starting to be modded, there weren't too many options that you could do for the headlight in terms of just aftermarket entire headlights themselves. So what we've got going on here is just the reflectors painted black, and then we have the diode dynamic C lights. And I mean,
it looks really good
when they're lit up. They're switchbacks as well, so when you turn on the turn signal, they turn the turn signals back into DRLs.
Exactly.
And then future plans for the headlight, I guess I'd probably black out that middle reflector there, paint the trim around it, and put some Morimoto Demonize in there just to make that front end pop a little bit more.
It's a killer front end though.
Oh yeah.
Knocked out of the park.
Thank you so much.
Alright, so in terms of the side profile, what do you got going on?
So, pretty standard. Just got the window tints. Obviously got to have the IG tag there. And then I'm repping my club, Yeg Subies.
Plug it in.
And then we've also got just the side skirt extensions there. Really bring out the look of the side profile.
They're meaty, man. That's what you were talking about before.
Yeah.
The side skirts, like even the stock ones are huge.
Yeah. I've got some custom vinyl done on the side here, as well as the STI.
Is this fully 3M or what is this? Like,
it's got 3M on the part where you open the door, so you don't end up taking the paint off.
I thought that was the whole door for a sec. I thought this was a lens, but no, that's smart.
In terms of the wheel combination that I've got going on.
Yeah, these are some nice looking wheels.
Oh yeah, I love the way these look, and it really suits the car in my books. I didn't really think they would suit at first, but I think it suits the car very well.
Literally perfect for the car.
They're Super Speed Flowforms RF03 double Rs. Lengthy name, but they're wrapped in some Yokohama Advan tires, and I've got some tire stickers on them as well.
Yeah, the tire stickers really pop them out.
Just the fact that they grip so well in my books, it kind of ties into the mods that I have coming for the performance later. I want a car that'll grip and get up and go, rather than, oh yeah, I had wheel spin, that's why I couldn't get up to 60 and within the past 10 seconds.
Alright, we're here at my favorite angle of the car, the rear end, and it definitely looks amazing. Tell us what you got going on.
So, stock, the Subaru WRX STI, you can get it with or without the wing. Obvious choice here, with the wing.
100%.
I've got the little carbon fiber ducktail that sits on top of the wing here, as well as two PERRIN wing stabilizers. Really changes the look of the wing in my opinion. We've got Subi speed taillights. These are sequential. We've got a rear diffuser here, which, as you can tell, it's seen better days. It's got some nice scrape marks right there, and
it's bent up.
Speed bumps have taken its toll. And then we have the F1 fog light as well. And then while we're here, I guess I have the
you gotta talk about
crown
this.
jewel.
This
is the Tomei X Cream TI catback exhaust. So it's a single exit. Single exit there. Shaves off a little bit of weight rather than going with that quad setup. And then I just have a toe tag right there just to fill in that little gap.
In terms of performance, what do you have? Because I know you said you had warranty, right? So you can't really do a lot, but...
Yeah, I played it risky though. And in terms of performance, really all I'm running, it would be the PERRIN intake here, which is massive. It's massive, huge. But it sounds so good. And then I just have the Access Port tune on there. So it's stage 1 plus just because I have the intake and a catback exhaust. But it's just tune, intake, exhaust, that's it. The car pulls, sounds, and just feels great. So.
In terms of future mods though, what are you thinking?
Ooh, big plans indeed. So for those of you who don't know Subarus, these engines tend to go kaput at about 140,000 kilometers, if you're lucky. Knowing the way I drive, it'd probably be 110. So my plans are to probably get a forged block with forged internals and change the location from the turbo from the bottom mount to where it is to a rotated turbo setup, so it'd be sitting right here. And the goal is hopefully about 700, 800 horsepower. So you're gonna get nice whooshy noises, nice boost flutter noises eventually. And right now, as for now, I think it'll stay like this for some time until the engine decides to kill itself.
Yeah, it's amazing build. Props to you on that.
Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it.
Alright, so before we take it for a spin, let's hear this exhaust. Thank you so much, TJ, for showing us your build. It's really well done. Apart from that though, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.